Hey guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching EncycloHub. In this video, we will discuss question number 1B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. And if you want any other help, you can also call or message. Here the question number 1B is arrange the stages of meiosis. 1 is the correct order. Leptotene, zygotene, Pachytene, Diakinesis, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. How does the correct sequence of these stages contribute to the process of cell division? And what is the significance of each stage? So here we are studying about the biology's paper, and this question is taken from lesson 4. If you need the answer of these all the questions, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.